Find the best outdoor security camera system on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 6 best outdoor security camera system on the market. 6. Smonet 720p HD wireless security CCTV surveillance systems. You will have 24/7 hours live surveillance. The technical support provided is free for a lifetime. 5. ZOSI 720p 8-channel home security camera system. The system is certified by the CE and FCC. You will get a 2-year guarantee. 4. Blink Home Security Camera System HD Video. It comes with 2-year battery life. They also have cloud storage. 2-year battery and cloud storage. 3. Zmodo Wireless Security Camera Smart HD Outdoor Wi-Fi IP cameras with night vision. It has a weatherproof rating of IP65. The company provides a 60-day money-back guarantee. 2. Tenvis HD Wireless IP Camera, 2-way audio, night vision. It comes with a free replacement policy. The security camera has 1280 by 720 megapixels. 1. Zmodo Wireless Security Camera Smart HD Outdoor Cameras with Night Vision, 4-pack. You will get a 3-year warranty. It comes with a lifetime US-based tech support. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.